videos of cryptos. And before starting the video, I would like to invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and then let's jump back to the video. So today video I'm talking about very simple, and it's a very easy never losing method. It's a 99% of winning chance to win a trade in this method, using this method. The reason is you cannot trade um, multiple times a day. So you cannot have too many trades. That's the only disadvantage in this uh, strategy. So this is very simple strategy. So first of all, you need to have a capital. Let's think $1,000. It doesn't matter if you have $100. So separate it to 5, 10, 30. So if you have a $1,000 per trade, for the trading, so you can separate it to 50, 100 and 300. So this means this is mean margin means you are, when you are adding to the trade, when the buy it again. So first of all, you need to select a coin like it must be a stable, very stable coin. So I know cryptos are not stable, but not, you must select some kind of higher market cap coins. That's better. So I already tested SUI, so it's working perfectly. So you can try SUI coin. So you don't need to find any other coins. You can use SUI coin to trade that. So first of all, you need to go to SUI trading view on trading view SUI and SUI, and then select daily chart. And the first strategy, first you need to understand where we are now. So if you are in this area over the 60, 50 or 60 area, so you need to consider about shorting instead of long. And if you are in area something like this area under the main line, this you can see, this is the middle line. Under the middle line it's like a 45, 40. So you need to consider something like under 50 also. Also it doesn't matter, so because of the chart where we are now in some kind of bottom, so we can consider about long, so that's the first thing. So you need to understand where you are going to long or you are going to short. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is you need to choose the chart to 4-hour chart. So okay, let's me to explain the strategy. So at the moment we don't have any trading opportunities today, but I can show you the latest trade opportunity that SUI provided. First thing is you need to have a capital. So I already talked about that. Let me define that price tag here. Okay, I'm putting that here. Okay, so here's the price. So my first margin is the $50. So what I'm doing is, when you using this strategy, you must have the RSI level to go down here or touch this line here. So touch means under the 30, under the 29, so under 30. So that's the place you need to place a $50 order. So let me to choose this place, show that here is the place that I am placing order. This is the my first margin, $50 I put here. Okay, so this is the first margin that I am adding. So if I add here first, you can see whenever I add here, I am exiting when the RSI is almost overbought. So when I am entering at the oversold area, and then I am exiting at the overbought area. So this method is easy to trade, and it works perfectly. So and also you must not try to high leverage. You can use 2x leverage, or you can use no leverage. At the moment I am talking about without using leverage. So that's the main reason. 2x leverage is the max leverage you can use. So let me to measure the height that we go. So let's think about, this is the where I bought this place, and then this is the trying to exit the trade now. So in here to here you can see the gain almost like this. It's a 20%. You can see that's a 20% of gain when the SUI is here and the here. You can see the exit place, and then you can see it took me to 9 days. That's the main reason uh, of the strategy that's a boring, because it took 9 days, but it will definitely profit for you. So that's the first way you can take a profit. You can wait until this reach, but at the moment it's the 20% of profit, means that's a good amount of trade. Good, it's a good trade opportunity. So you can take, if you are investing $50, so you can see take $10. So uh, that's a that's a great opportunity. So you can exit the trade from after 9 days. So it's a very easy and no pressure. There's no stop loss, so it doesn't matter. So that's it. So okay, let's go back to the another opportunity. So how it's a, so you don't need to wait to until reach that. If you think it's a good profit, it doesn't matter, you can exit that. So it's mean always it's up on the 50% range. It's a good point to release your capital. So let's think about that. Let's go back to this type of scenario. Okay, this type of scenario, this is a great scenario that I can explain you. What if goes more down the trend, more down the chart. Okay, let's think about this. You are entering to the trade in here. We let's think, we don't know that that's going down again, so we are entering here. We are put $50 to our trade. We are put first uh, 50 to trade here. Here you put $50, and then what happened, the RSI is over sold area, so it's going up, but it's going down again. And then you can see we are again went down, and at this point we are adding $100. We are adding $100. So it's mean we are at double the margin that we added here. So our entry point go back down to um, not in the middle, because this price is too high than this one. So it will, entry price will have something like this place, our entry price to come this place. And then what we do, we are wait to until reach RSI to this overbought area. So it's almost reached this area, so you can see here. And then let's measure the price. Now we know this total our margin is $150. So let me type it, that total margin $150. So because of this, for 50 here and 100 here, and then this is the total margin. And then let's see how much price that we can, how much expand. It's expand to almost 20%. So let's think about that. 20% means you can have a profit of profit, let me type that, profit $30. So how long it will take you to only take 2 days. Yes, I'm sorry, not 2 days, because we started the trade here, and it's a 5 days. You can you make some profit within 5 days with that strategy. So that's the second place. Okay, let's move to another place. So I know this is some kind of boring, but if you learn this properly, you will get a huge opportunity. So okay, let's think about here. So this is one of the great place that I like to show this strategy. Let's think you are starting here. Okay, your capital, adding your capital is $50. Okay, you are adding 50 here. Okay, you waiting for until reach to here, but you miss the, let's think you miss, you are trading trade, you have to take profit. So then what happened, it's going down like this crazy. And then think about that, you are entering with another $100 with, you can add some kind of limit orders here too, but it doesn't matter if you don't have limit orders. So you can see 50 here and the 100 here, so it will like this. So what happened when you are entering at this point, everyone knows that we can't catch the bottom or top. So let's think we are entering something like this place, okay, something like this place. So your first entry is here and your second entry is here. So your enterprise will come to not between middle, because of the we are adding double the here, and it should come to here. Yeah, it's almost come to here because of 20% from this is a 7% from space, and this is 20%, 25%. So definitely it should come down here. So after that, you can see this is your entry level, this is your entry level, and then you have to wait to until reach it something like this place. You can get out from trade this here, you don't need to wait until at a huge gain. So let's think about here, and you can get out from here like a 20%, or you can wait to until reach here. It's a too many day 20 days, it's too many time. I don't think that's a good thing to do. You can here, you can exit the trade from 7 days, or you can exit the trade, so I'm sorry, not 7 days, because you are starting trade here. So it's mean let's think about exiting from here, it's mean 8 days. So you can exit 8 day from trade, and then also you can make 20% from trade. So that's the strategy. I hope you guys understand the way that I did. This is for buying side view. So I will do another video about how to from selling point of view. You can do it to SUI trade, so it doesn't matter. So don't get trapped at the top of this kind of place like this. You can understand if you are good to sell or buy from, let me to mark this chart. So here you can see this is the some kind of top bearish divergence are making, so it's a not good point to buy here. So it's good point to buy when its chart is falling down. This is a good point to short, because we know that we already talk about the strategy that this is the this chart is over the 50 line of the RSI. So you can use this area to short. I will show you the next video. I can't make the too long videos for now, so I can show you in the next video how you can trade in SUI with the shorting using this method. Thank you so much for guys watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.